Hey guys, so I'm going to be applying a couple of new products today, and the first one is going to be another shade of the Hard Candy Lip Blur lipsticks. This is in the shade Swept Away. I did a video about these the other day, and I only had one color at the time, and I told you I was going to buy more. So here's another one of the shades. This is a pink. I love, love, love these. I love that smell. It smells so good. Smells like cookies or cake or whatever. So the way you apply these is you line your lips and put like a generous amount on when you line them. Pick of your lip line so that you have plenty of product there. And by the way, I didn't know this when I did my video the other day. On the other end, inside the box that these come in, for whatever reason, the cap for this part of the component is glued inside the box. So you're going to have to open both ends of the box and make sure that you get the cap. So you're going to take the applicator and blend the product down. So it's supposed to give you like a blurred effect. I mean, if you don't want that, you can just apply it like a normal lipstick if you want to. So there's a lot of options with this. So that is what the pink one Swept Away looks like. It's a really, really pretty shade of pink. So the other product that we are going to test out today, Wet n Wild released a chrome collection, and there is a multi-chrome cream eyeshadow in that collection. That's the only thing I bought. That was the only thing that I wanted. This is at Walmart. And what I'm going to do, it's a flaky. If you're not familiar with those, I've done videos on these types of eyeshadows before. They're a little tricky to work with, but what I like to do first is I like to put something else in the crease and outer corner and on the lids, because this type of thing, it's like an eyeshadow topper and it's the form of like flakes. So I'm going to go into my Profusion Kaleidoscope palette, and I'm going to use this purple right here called Hypnotize, because if you just do the flaky cream eyeshadow, it's not going to give you like an opaque look. I don't have a brush in front of me. Yeah, that would be helpful if I had brushes, huh? Okay, so the shade I'm going into is Hypnotized, because purple is one of the shades in this. So I'm just putting a little bit on this brush, and I'm going to put that all over the lid to start with, like that. And then I'm gonna work it up a little bit, and I'm just gonna dip my brush back into the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna do the outside part of my eye so that I have the shape that I want. So I'm blending it with whatever, or I'm blending it with what I've already put down. Now, I don't want that. See how I've got that white stripe right where it meets my lashes? So make sure you blend the eyeshadow along your lower, not your lower, your lash line, your upper lash line, so that you don't have that white stripe there. Okay, that's better. So I'm blending trying to get the shape I want and blending it with what I've already put down. Okay, so that's about the shape that I want, and I'm just going to take it in just a tiny bit to merge with what I've already done. There we go. Okay, now, now I am going to flip this brush around. It's a two-sided brush, and go over to the shader part of the brush. And let's see. I'm going to dip my brush. Now you can use your fingers, but this is going to be really messy, so I would prefer to use a brush. So I'm just going to pick up a small amount, which is not easy to do. You don't want a ton of product. You want enough that you can put some on and spread it out or dab it on. So you're going to pat it into the lid area. Isn't that beautiful the way it catches the light? And just keep dabbing until it's spread out as evenly as you can. Now, as it dries, it's going to adhere better to your brush if you missed any spots that you want to fill in. And try not to fully blink your eyes or look up until it dries. Okay, I'm going to do the other eye off camera just to save time, and then we'll continue with the process here. Be right back. Okay, so all I did was do the other eye and then curled my lashes and applied mascara. Now this look would probably look even better with false lashes, but I do not like false lashes. I mean, I like the way they look. I just don't like the application is just a nightmare. And also, when my lashes are on, I can just feel them, and I never get used to that feeling of them being there. It's like wearing a foreign object in or on your body for a long period of time. It just feels very uncomfortable. So I just loaded up my lashes with my Maybelline Sky High Lash mascara. But this look is obviously a very dramatic nighttime look, and not for everybody or not for every occasion. But it's fun though. You know, sometimes you just want to do something fun. That's why I put on these earrings, because I figured, okay, fun earrings to go with a fun makeup look. But so that is it, you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.